Hello and welcome everyone. In today's episode of Inventory for You and Me, we are going to look at a stock counting method known as periodic stocktaking. What is periodic stocktaking? It is the process of counting and verifying the inventory of all your items at regular intervals. The general idea behind this approach is to pause all your transactions during the stocktaking period and have all your team members manually count the items you have in a particular location. If you are not in a position to pause your transactions during business hours, then you may need to do your periodic stocktaking during your off hours. Let's understand this by looking at restaurants. A typical restaurant may stocktake their ingredients twice every day. The first cycle happens before they open, and it is followed up with another one right after they close. The idea is to keep track of the amount of ingredients they bring in each day, along with their consumption in order to plan reorders. They call it shelf-to-sheet stock counting, and this is a fine example of how one goes about periodic stocktaking of the goods they hold. How often does one stocktake when following this method? Depending on the volume and the value of your items you hold, you can stocktake once every month, once every quarter, or in some cases, even once every year. That said, it is better to stocktake expensive products and perishable goods frequently. That concludes our session on periodic stocktaking. Let's meet again on another video with a new topic. Until then, please stay safe and healthy. Cheers!